Well, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and show you the randomest thing to do. I don't even know why you'd want to do this, but essentially how to get a dynamic island on your Android phone. Now, this is still a work in progress. It's not going to be perfect. In fact, I probably wouldn't even recommend doing this because there's probably a lot of applications that are going to start coming out and being corrupt and all that stuff. So be careful. This specific application I'm using is still a very early access build, but it's still kind of quirky and I think it's kind of different, so it's worth shouting out. Now within the Play Store, this specific, what I did was just type in Dynamic Island, and this one was the one that didn't seem like a scam. So again, be careful with what you're doing. But with this one, what you want to do is download this type of application, Dynamic Island Early Access. And once you have it installed, you can see I already have mine pre-configured, but when you open it, you'll basically come into this specific page. Now it's going to tell you if you want to turn it on or turn it off. Well, if you go ahead and turn it on, so this is what it looks like before, by turning it on, it'll actually go ahead and tell you to either it'll just configure it by automatically, or it'll tell you to go into your accessibilities and then enable it. So all you have to do is just go into your accessibility settings, enable it from there, and it should just come up. So under installed apps, you should be able to turn it on right there, and that is it. Now from here, you can go ahead and get into each individual option. So under notifications, you can turn on notifications right here, give it permission, and you can go ahead and enable certain notifications to go and configure it on, which is really cool. You can also hop back out, and under display, I guess you can go ahead and allow move. I don't know what that means. So if we go ahead and, so you can move the dynamic island. I don't know why you'd want to do that. So I guess you'd probably want to go ahead and set it up back where it was. Display mode, you can have it to always show or show when having a notification, which is cool. You can change the height of it. This is actually kind of interesting. You can change the width of it as well. And honestly, that's kind of interesting. I didn't even know we could do any of that. Now, what's very interesting is if you click on it, it'll actually come up with the power button. So I don't know what that's about. So if you click it, I guess it turns the display off, which is cool. So again, it's a work in progress. I think it's kind of quirky. It's definitely not something you'd probably want to do, but I think it's kind of cool at the end of the day. If you are into this kind of stuff, then you have that option. I'm curious to see with a notification though. I have not received a notification yet, so I don't know what's going to happen with it, but I guess we'll see what happens. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.